Hey everybody, do you or someone that you know suffer from numbness, tingling, or burning in your feet? If you do, then you're going to want some information from this video. My name is Todd Robbins. Some of you may know me. I'm a physical therapist. I've been a physical therapist for 25 years, treating patients here in the Lehigh Valley. And this is Tim McCormick.
Tim McCormick, so owner, Good Health Acupuncture. We're in Easton, we're in Bethlehem. And I've been going at this for 12 years now, so yeah.
Yeah, so Tim and I have known each other for a long time, and many of our patients kind of struggle with neuropathy, right? Like peripheral neuropathy is just a progressive and really kind of challenging to treat issue that our patients have. But recently I found out about a new treatment protocol. I wanted to help my patients a little bit more, and there's a new protocol that we're working on that involves physical therapy, some laser therapy, which has become very popular, and acupuncture. If we can combine those three things, then we're getting great results with our patients. Tim, how does acupuncture help people that might have neuropathy?
Yeah, well, we'd have to start, and we always look at what's actually going on, right? And so what's typically happening with neuropathy is nerve degeneration and less blood flow than there needs to be to help the tissues repair. So acupuncture actually does both. Helps with nerve regeneration in specific ways that we'll get to when we're on the 26th here, and then increasing circulation.
Yeah, so what Tim's talking about, we're going to do a workshop, okay? We're going to dive deeper into this, and really we're looking for 10 people that will get into our treatment protocol so that we can see what kind of results we can get. So you can register in this email. It's on February 26th. We want to know how many people are coming, and we're going to have spots for 10 people to kind of join our protocol. Whether you're going to do it or not, you'll get great information. So we're going to do a deep dive on neuropathy, talk a lot more about how that affects you. You'll be eligible for a free evaluation. All right, we'll take a look at how we can help you out with things. You'll get some exercises to go home with, and again, a chance to join our treatment group. All right, so we're looking for 10 people. So stay tuned to your email and other channels. We'll get that information out to you, and me and Tim will see you on February 26th.
Be the first to feel your best.
I like it.
Huh?